preventative maintenance. Now, hopefully there's still some of you left with me. I get it's not one of those subjects as a machinist that we love. Something I do love as a machinist is having a machine I can rely on that's not gonna let me down, and I'm not gonna have any unplanned or unexpected downtime. One of the ways to do that is that dreaded PM. If you're not on board with preventative maintenance, I would highly encourage you to see it as a means to get your results. A machine you can rely on. Everything is predictable. That way everything can go according to plan. I mean, there's the odd wrench thrown in there, but it'll be a lot smoother if you're doing your PM. As I said, unplanned downtime sucks. Nobody wants it. As a machinist, that was like, you get it all set up and you've got the tools in, you've got the fixtures made, the program's ready to rip. You start proving it out and boom, failure. If you're not doing your preventative maintenance, that's really what waits for you. And trust me, if you haven't experienced it yet, it's not something I like to brag about. So let's keep your machines running. I'll throw a link to this video down below. Check out their channel. Haas is continuing to up level and increase what they're putting out for all of you out there who are running Haas machines so that you can make more money. And who doesn't like to make more money? Until next time, keep your spindles turning and earning.